Hey, thanks for your interest in the eSub QuickBooks Connector. The eSub QuickBooks Connector is a program that you would install on your desktop computer. The program will allow eSub to communicate with your QuickBooks package. In this case, our eSub QuickBooks Connector is able to push an eSub purchase order to a QuickBooks bill. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that, and then we can make a decision if this is something that'll help us moving forward. What you'll notice here is I've gone to my eSub purchase order log. Once the connector's been installed and the settings in eSub have been established as well, we're able to push an eSub purchase order to a QuickBooks bill. Let's take a closer look at this. An eSub purchase order is going to contain many line items. What we do is we will only be pushing the sum, the PO total, into QuickBooks as a single line bill. Once I've turned on the QuickBooks Connector in eSub, all of my purchase orders will have a QuickBooks Sync button. Once that box is checked, the connector runs, I get confirmation of a successful import into QuickBooks. Let's take a little closer look at the connector and at QuickBooks as well. The connector itself will have some configuration that you need to enter. The same credentials you use in eSub, you'll enter here and save the configuration. And at a period of your choosing, you could go ahead and start the synchronization. At this point, the connector will read the QuickBooks file, update eSub with any needed information, and also pull down any pending purchase orders or pay applications. In the case of a purchase order, eSub purchase order will write directly into a QuickBooks bill. The eSub purchase order's total will be brought across into the amount due area of a QuickBooks bill. On the QuickBooks bill, we would also be pushing to a single account with the total. In the memo line, it'll let us know that there's this came from eSub and is an eSub link. The supplier's address, all of that information will come over as well as the customer and job, as this is information we had already set up. Just a quick review, we're pushing a multi-line eSub purchase order to a single line QuickBooks bill. You can see we have 2 lines on this purchase order, but what it's going to do is just simply push the total into a QuickBooks bill. If you have any questions on how this process works, please don't hesitate to reach out.